My name is Brian Johnson. I am the network engineer for Tech42. I am mostly the field engineer, installing and replacing the equipment, update, maintenance, and then just general wear and tear, break fix. Core values is we want to make sure our customers come first. We always want to make sure we're doing the right thing for the customer. We're trying to make sure we're implementing the best equipment for the customer there, give them the best solutions, and make sure that they're can keep their business up and operational as long as possible. Go with the T-bone steak. All the trimmings on the side, you gotta have them. I ended up with computers. My brother actually started in there a couple years before I did, and he used to start bringing equipment home from the different schools, and we used to tinker and play with it a lot. And it always was a running joke. The more the older we got, and the more we went on, I always kept telling him, I'm going to do better on computers than you are, and unfortunately that ended up being the case. To be a millionaire, but I think that's everybody's. I really like to just, try to keep things moving forward. I want to make sure we stay on top of projects and tickets and services there. I have an array with in Linux, very high background there. So I was maintaining a lot of the small Linux servers we had here at one point, taking a lot of that work from Mike. I have a very broad background in computers there, so I'm versed in a lot of different things. So literally I get put on a lot of the odd projects. Caleb always calls them his challenge projects, but I always find an easy way to do it, and it always baffles him. Take the vampire, at least to be a fair fight. The favorite project I have done here was our Lazy Boy store projects. Lazy Boy used to have offices just local in Pennsylvania. They're a single owner owned them, and he decided to get out of the business, so corporate came in and requested that they had special racks and equipment and rewire, and it was a very intense project. It was very oriented through the company there, from getting the service requests together, getting the parts together, keeping everything organized, scheduling the times and dates. We'd go out 2-3 days at a time just to get the work done, and it was nice to meet the corporate at the end there, and they saw the quality work we did, and they were blown away by what they got out of our services. Embarrassing moment. That's every day of my life. You have kids. Everything's an embarrassing moment. It's a very good atmosphere. Everybody here, we all kind of have the same goal, and we're just we fit together well, and we come together to make sure that the work's getting done, and people are getting the services they request. When I'm not working, most of the time I'm generally either with family, mostly my kids. They have a lot of sports activities and different things back and forth, so we're always one place or another. So I spend a lot of time with my kids there at night, and I have some activities. Unfortunately right now it's repairing and fixing houses, but we'll get it done, don't worry.